Yeah, when I tell you, me and my daughter went out yesterday looking, said we always go to open houses, like I tell y'all. For one, to network, and also I'm in the market of buying me a house, right? So I found this house. That's the one thing. You never fall in love with, the pictures on the internet. Y'all, when we went to go tour this house looked nothing like it did on Zillow. Oh my gosh. Like, oh, we were so heartbroken. But hindsight, it did feel good to go out and do house tours. I like older style homes. That's the type of home that, me and my family are looking to invest in and live the rest of my days, be the Lord's will. But when I tell you this house had a whole bunch of foundational issues, like no wonder it had been on the market for 2 months and counting. But yeah, but I met a really good realtor. I think I'm going to go with this particular realtor because they were very, very friendly. And I also put emphasis that I am a, mobile notary and I conduct a lot of real estate closings. So, we can see where that relationship goes from here. But yeah, this house, I mean, it had a lot of charm to it, but them pictures on Zillow, mm-mm.